Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Yaheetech office chair that this brand sent to me for this video review. And I've been trying it for some time, and I gotta say I really like it. It has a really nice set of features. The first thing I like about this chair is that the mesh is kind of like breathable, as you can see, but it's also elastic. So what's actually it's gonna do is gonna give you a really nice support when you're sitting. Other things that I like is that the armrests right here are also padded. They're super cushion. And another thing that is really good about the armrests, you can put them like this, and that goes into a storage position. So you can put actually the chair underneath your desk. So now that you can see it from here, another thing that is really good is the lumbar support. Right here, you can actually move it. So what's gonna do is actually it's gonna give you this. Let me actually put the armrest back in this position, just like that. And the lumbar support is gonna kind of like actually push you a little bit up front, and you can actually move it and you can put it in a higher position just like this. So that's gonna give you a really nice support when you're sitting for longer hours or long periods of time. Another good thing is, let me show you, you have the headrest right here that you can actually modify the height just like that. And that kind of like gives you another really good support right here. Let me show you sitting just like this. Feels really good. And this is kind of like, it's a firm cushion, I want to say. It's not super thick. It is thick actually, but it's not super cushion, as I was saying before. It's not one of those that you're gonna be kind of like drowning in the actual seat, but it's a firm one, which I think it's intended, and it's for certain people that like to have a really firm seating cushion. So the other thing that I like about this chair is, let me show you this. As many other chairs, for sure, you can modify the height just like that. But this one, you're gonna do this, unlock it, and it has this really nice kind of like rocking recliner that you can keep bouncing yourself, which I think it's really convenient. It's really good. If you're kind of like working all day or something like that, you may want to have this. So overall, this is a really good chair. It supports up to 300 pounds. The assembly process was super easy. I think it took me no more than 30 minutes with power tools, and fairly looks really good. It has a really nice structure. The headrest you can move, the lumbar support that you can move, the padded armrest right here. I wish that probably this armrest could be one of those that you can modify the height, just like getting like taller or a lower position, but instead they choose to do this. And then it's a firm cushion, as I was saying before. It has wheel for sure, and the swivel action and the recliner. I like it. I do recommend it. It's a really good chair. Thanks Yaheetech for sending this one to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.